everyone, this is the Crafty Crunchy Cat. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Crafty Crunchy Cat logo. What you will need is a styrofoam ball, air dry clay, and here's the pack I got the air dry clay in at the store. And air dry clay for the feet and ears. And make sure as soon as possible as you open your air dry clay, put it in a bag and make sure all the air is out of the bag. And you will need Elmer's glue, green fabric paint, and red for the tomato slices. This is acrylic paint. And here's what I'm going to use for my tomato slices, this right here. And also, you will need for the taco color show is this paint right here, this color. And also, you will need a little bit of darker spots for the taco spots, like a darker paint. And you will need yellow puffy paint for the cheese, and brown puffy paint for the meat, and for sour cream, white puffy paint, and cardboard for the taco shells. Make sure they're both the same size. And then, no matter how much you paint over brown cardboard, it still stays brown. So cut out white paper that goes over like this. So that way you could paint and it looks like nice clean work. And also you will need scissors, a paintbrush like this one, but cut the end off so you can make the taco dots on the taco. And you will also need a fine detailed paintbrush, and also acrylic paint, dark green for the eyes and black for face details. Let's get started. So I'm going to start and making the taco shells now. So how I made these taco shells is on the cardboard, but on that side I made a glue outline all around. And also I took my piece of paper and put it on and glued it down, make sure it was the same exact size, like it wasn't going off a little bit. And I also did the same with my other taco shell. So now I'm going to start making the filling for the taco. Alright, so here is my lettuce that I made, and I just took my green fabric paint and I went straight down like that on both sides, and then with the tip of my paint I just took and I smeared them both together like that. And that made it not look like there was like a little seam in the middle. And that's what that does from smearing like that. It makes it nice looking and more clean looking. So now I'm going to go and start painting the tomato slices. So I have painted my tomato slices red. So now I am going to start painting my feet and ears. So I painted the ears and feet, and I'll just have to wait for the tomatoes, ears, and feet to dry. So I did forget to make room for the sour cream and meat, so I had to wipe all of the lettuce off. So while the tomatoes are drying and the feet and ears are drying, I am going to go ahead and start doing that. So here is my meat and sour cream. Now I am going to start putting on the tomatoes and the feet and ears. So I put the ears on. You need to make sure that your ears are completely on the bottom, covered with glue, and then stick them on. And when I shake this air dry clay, I put it on the piece of cardboard so it had 2 slits in it for when I put it on the taco piece. So here are my ears. And now I'm going to start painting the taco shell. And also, when I put the 2 taco shells on, I just got this fabric paint and did it all on the outside edge, and then put the 2 taco shells on for both sides. So here I painted the taco shells on both sides. And now I'm going to start doing the dots, the taco dots, on each side. Alright, so here are my taco spots. on each side. Now I'm going to start doing the face. So now I'm going to start making the mouth. So here is the face, and now I'll just have to let this dry, and then I can put the feet on. And while everything dries, I am going to start painting the black in the ears. So there are the ears painted in black. So now I just have to wait for everything to dry. So what I did to make the styrofoam ball taco shaped is I took a sharp knife and I cut the styrofoam ball in half, and then I took the half and then I cut the ends off of the half, and then it made a perfect taco shape. So now I'm going to paint the claws on my feet. Alright, I'm just going to let my paws dry, but then they'll be all ready to stick on. So it is all dry. Now I'm going to put my cheese on. So here is the cheese. After it dries, I'm going to put the feet on. Oops. For the taco dots on the ears, I just took a toothpick and I dot like that all over both of the ears. And also for inside the nose, I did the same thing. And for the meat, the sour cream ran all the way down. So I had to put the meat back on and hold it like this for a little while, like this. And then just take one of your leftover foam pieces and put it down and prop it up like this if you don't want to hold it. So it is fine and the meat won't go too far up or too far back. And I'm going to put the feet on now. So Elmer's glue does not work on the feet, so I am trying hot glue to see if it works. So what you have to do is put lots of hot glue down and then hold and blow for a second on each one. And here is your taco cat. It's all done.